Hi there. Let's go through a quick walkthrough of how to renew the content token within Apple School Manager and Jamf School. First, log into your Jamf School server and go to Organization, Settings, and then Content. If you have more than one token here, select the one you want to renew. Next, open a new tab or browser window and navigate to Apple School Manager. After logging in, select your profile in the bottom left corner and choose Preferences. Click on Payments and Billing. On the bottom of the Payments and Billing screen, we find our Apps and Books server tokens. Again, if you have more than one location, select the one you want to renew. Because I only have one, I'm selecting the Jamf Training location and downloading the token. With the token downloaded, head back to Jamf School. On the Content screen, click the Replace button above the existing token. We can either drag and drop the token here, or we can click in the box to select the VPP token file we just downloaded. Once selected, click Upload. And then click Apply to finalize the renewal. That's it. You'll know the token was successfully renewed because the new expiration date is 1 year from today. Thanks for watching.